Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Toyota Camry side mirror cover. First, let's gather the essential tools. You'll need a plastic trim removal tool to prevent scratching, and a small flathead screwdriver for delicate prying. A clean microfiber cloth is also helpful for protecting surfaces. Always choose a well-lit and safe environment to work in, ensuring you have ample space and good visibility for the task ahead. Now let's prepare the mirror for cover removal. Begin by adjusting the mirror glass to its innermost position, creating a gap at the outer edge. Gently use your trim tool to pry the mirror glass away from the housing, working slowly around the perimeter. Once the glass is free, carefully disconnect any electrical connectors, such as those for heating or power adjustments. Place the mirror glass in a safe, padded location to prevent damage. With the mirror glass removed, you can now access the retaining clips holding the cover. Look inside the mirror housing to identify these small clips, typically around the edge. Using your plastic trim tool, gently but firmly release each clip one by one. Work your way around the entire perimeter of the cover, ensuring every clip is disengaged. Once all clips are free, the cover should pull straight off with minimal effort. To reinstall, align the new side mirror cover with the housing, ensuring it's oriented correctly. Apply firm, even pressure around the edges until you hear and feel all the retaining clips snap securely into place. Next, reconnect any electrical wiring for the mirror functions. Finally, carefully reattach the mirror glass by aligning it and pressing it back into position. Test the power adjustments to confirm everything is working correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.